Welcome friends to Sheetal's World of Recipes. Today we are going to make Doodh Pak, also known as Kheer. Only difference between Doodh Pak and Kheer is that the consistency. Doodh Pak we add around less amount of rice, and for Kheer we add little bit more amount of rice to make it as a thick consistency. Rest part is same. Let's see the ingredients. For Doodh Pak we need 4 cups of whole milk, 5 tablespoons sugar. Sugar you can take as per your taste. Rice for Doodh Pak, we need 2 tablespoons. And for kheer, if you want to make, you can take around 3 to 4 tablespoons. 1 teaspoon of ghee, 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi powder or cardamom powder, 10 to 15 strands of kesar. Dry fruits, we have taken pistachio around 10 to 15, almonds and cashew around 8 to 10 pieces. Let's see how to make doodh pak. First, we will wash basmati rice 4 to 5 times and remove water. We will put it on the dry cloth or paper towel. Here we have to take a thick bottom pot, either non-stick or stainless steel. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee in it and saute rice at least for 3 to 4 minutes, but we have to remind that we don't have to make it golden brown in color, just lightly saute the rice. By doing so, it will add a flavorful aroma into the doodh pak, and also we have used ghee which will coat around the pot and it will prevent milk from burning or rice from sticking. Now remove the rice to cool down in one dish. In the same pot, we will add milk. Take 4 cups of whole milk. Keep on stirring the milk and also scrape from the side to avoid the dry flakes sticking to the pot. Now we will take 2 tablespoons of milk and then add 10 to 15 strands of kesar. This will give beautiful color to the doodh pak and also the flavor. Now once the milk is boiled, we will add our saute basmati rice. By doing so, our basmati rice will cook faster. To remove the skin from the dry fruits like pistachio and almond, soak it for 10 minutes in the warm water. Now we will check if the rice has been cooked or not. Take one piece of rice and if it feels soft then it is cooked. Always add sugar after the rice has been cooked or rice will be undercooked. Now we will add our dry fruits, cashews, pistachio and almonds and stir well. Add 5 tablespoons sugar. Sugar you can add as per your taste. Now we will also add our saffron milk in it and stir well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, elaichi powder in it and mix well. Mix until our sugar get dissolves and off the stove. Remove the doodh pak from the pot and put it into the bowl to cool down. At least for 1 to 2 minutes, keep on stirring. Friends, our delicious and mouth-watering doodh pak is ready. Follow the tips and you will make perfect consistency of doodh pak. You can serve either hot or cold as per your taste. For the new and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel, Sheetal's World of Recipes. Like and share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for the new notifications. See you soon.